Welcome to another video in this channel, the Orlando Redhound. In this video, we are going to discuss step by step the details of the different methods of finding solutions to quadratic equations of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. There are at least 4 standard methods of solving quadratic equations. Number 1, factoring. Number 2, principle of square root. Number 3, completing the square. Number 4, quadratic formula. Factoring. First, we need to find the factors of 6. These two numbers when added together equals 5. So that our factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. So that our solutions are x equals -2 and x equals -3. To check if our solutions are correct, we just replace the x in the original equation with either x equals -2 or with x equals -3. And we do it one at a time. When x equals -2, then we have and then. Here we see that replacing x with either of the solutions gives us 0 equals 0. 0 equals 0 means that our solution is correct. Now let us replace x with -3 and see what happens. Let's take another example. If we have x squared minus 12 plus 36 equals 0, finding the factors of 36 we got and when added together will give us a -12. And to give us a -12 sum, we need to change the signs of both of the factors 6. Our factors are then x minus 6 times x minus 6 equals 0. And this means we have only one solution, that is x equals 6. To check if our solution is correct, we can do the substitution we did in our previous example, or we can expand our factors, which are x minus 6 times x minus 6. X times x equals x squared. Minus 6 times x equals minus 6x. Minus 6 times x equals minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 6 equals plus 36. Simplifying, we have x squared minus 12 plus 36 equals 0. This means that our solution is correct. Let's take another example. This time the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. And finding the factors of 8 won't gives us any possible solution. There are no factors that when added together will gives us 10. This require another method of finding the factors. This method are called the magic X or the no-fuss method. So let's find the factors using the magic X method. First we need to set up the X. Then multiply 3 and -8 equals -24. Then find two factors of -24, which when added together equals 10. So now we have -2 and 12. We divide this by 3, the coefficient of x squared. Simplifying, we have our solution is then x plus 4 and 3x minus 2. So we end our discussion here. We will discuss the other 3 methods in our next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support the channel.